Hello family, good day and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at generative AI on Vertex AI prompt design. So let's make a start. We're just on the console now, the GCP console, so we'll log in. This is one of the Quick Labs accounts. We'll stick in our password and sign in. Click on yes. Accept the terms of service and we're in. So this is the GCP console and we're now going to be looking for the Vertex AI tool. So two ways we could do that. Just on the right hand side in the navigation button, you can click down and we'll look for Vertex AI. That'll be under artificial intelligence. We'll just click here and go into Vertex AI. So we are looking for today the workbench. So we just come in here, workbench. And what we're looking for are user managed notebooks, which is just at the top here. So this point, click on that. And we'll be going into the Open Jupyter. So just this highlighted item here, and the Jupyter notebook is coming up. And there it is. So we are looking for generative AI. So this folder here has almost all we're going to be working on today. I'm looking for intro to prompt design. So go to language and then prompt, intro to prompt design. Just double click that, get the notebook opened up, and then we'll be running through the cells one at a time. So we have this button here, just click through. So prompt design best practices. You can run it in Colab, GitHub, or fit in GitHub or open it in the Vertex AI workbench, is what we're doing right now. This gives us just an overview. Let me see if we can make this slightly bigger. What else? I think that's better for the screen recording. So it gives us the objective, the costs, how much it's going to cost. Since we're just going to run for a few minutes only, I think that should be alright. And we run the command to install the Vertex AI SDK. So most of the requirements already satisfied. Just scroll down. This is for Colab only. Does it apply to us? Going, just clicking through. This is for Colab, so does it apply? And click continue. So you can see the model we're using today, Text Python 001. And then this just gives us some of the best practices for prompt engineering. So we have to be concise, be specific, well-defined, ask one task at a time, and improve the response quality by including examples. And then we can turn generative tasks to classification tasks to improve safety. So an example is given below, asking what do you think could be a good name of a flower shop. Yeah, so saying this is unnecessarily verbose. And then the next example is a prompt that is to the point and concise. Excellent. Some lovely names there for the flower shop. So it should be specific and well defined. So not recommended, tell me about it. Just a bit, too generic. It needs to be specific. And giving you an example of a well recommended one. That's good. So we'll just keep on going. Ask one task at a time. So you see this example is talking about two completely unrelated things. If I say boiling water and why is the sky blue? Let's see what comes out. It does give an answer, but it's not a best practice. So first prompt, what is the best method of boiling water? And then the next one, why is the sky blue? So get good answers there. So we'll just keep walking through the next items on the prompt design. We should watch out for hallucinations. And then you can see the response here. It's not really correct per se. Okay. So that's a hallucination. And then we can turn generative task into classification tasks to reduce output variability. So you see here, open-ended response to the prompt to be given, useful for brainstorming, but the response is highly variable. Let's see what it comes out with. So you see, write a program to solve a problem you're interested in. And then you see the next prompt. It gives various choices, and the output is easier to control. Which is really nice. It says, for the high school student, the prompt is suggesting he learns Python. And then we'll come to the next one, zero-shot prompt. You don't provide any examples to the LM within the prompt itself. It says the sentiment is positive. One-shot prompt is where you provide one example to the LLM. And then a few-shot prompts, you provide a few examples. It says one example here. Well, I think that looks like a few examples. It gives the response as positive. So that's all it for this video today. And let's try to see if we can explore some of the other notebooks we have in this folder. We'll just go and have a look. Examples. We have ideation, question answering, text classification. Let's have a look at text classification. See what's coming up. Let's try to run some of it. So by the end of the notebook, we should use the LLM to perform various classification tasks, such as zero shots, few shots, sentiment analysis, topic classification, spam detection, and the rest. And that looks nice. We're good to use this for real life cases, use cases. Some red items, some text highlighted in red there. We'll just have a look and see what they mean. open some things of the libraries. Let's keep going. So you see it can give me a good answer there, and then we have the next one, few short prompting. Gives an answer entertainment. And then we're looking to classify this task on President Biden. Goes as politics. And then spam detection, all good. Intent recognition, language identification. Ooh, Turkish, really nice. Toxicity detection, non-toxic. So we can use it for lots of things relating to text. Then you can evaluate various reviews. Maybe you get this from customers on your website, on your sales. You can use the LLM to review that. So we've come to the end there. Which is really nice. Quick example checking of our other workbooks, notebooks, prompts. And I think I'll close there for today. But while we're doing that, just to give you highlights, you see various notebooks. Then we can go into prompts. Then we can drill higher so you have various stops. Have conversation, language, search, setup, speech, visual. Okay. Thank you and peace out.